King! Guess what? My brother's in town! We did a video a while back and everyone's like, put your brother back on. I was like, well, he has to come to town first. So here he is.
Hey guys.
Yep. John. My brother John. My beloved brother.
Yes.
So I'm gonna give him a facial because that's what we did last time and because that's what I do. And he loves facials. Look at how beautiful he is in his fabulous shirt. Isn't this a beautiful color on him? Don't you think? Okay. Sorry about that.
We're doing the good face stuff routine. Do.
We got a jingle now. Why don't you create a jingle for good face stuff? John thinks I'm too much. Am I? Let's put some schmutz on its face. Okay, we got Silk Deep Hydro Balm to Milk Cleanser. How's it smell?
It smells refreshing.
Really?
Yeah. Lightly citrus.
Well, darlings, shall we smear it on his face? This is the most fun ever. Let's get the schmutz on your face with a little scooper that it comes with. Oh. Okay, that's not good. Put it in your hand first. Your beard is so nicely coiffed. So here it comes with the balm, and then we smear it on. It's great for removing makeup, but you don't wear makeup, do you? You're just naturally beautiful?
It's all natural, baby.
Wow. How do you like your sister?
It feels really smooth and silky and hydrating.
Silky. It's same silk, that's why. A facial massage you like? I covet John's eyelashes. They're so long and nice. I always want to touch them, and he loves that. He hates it.
Feels nice.
Done? Actually,
Yeah,
if you...
put some over here.
Oh, dear. If you really get it, like massage it into your pores, you know, where you have maybe some gunk, it emulsifies it. It's just really awesome.
Massage right here.
Get it! Get it, go! Should I do it, or do you want to maybe mess up your shirt? We're going to add some water.
So then you add some water, right?
Yes.
To your hands or instrument using.
Do you want a towel, since we're not at a sink? And to protect your... No?
And it just gets kind of lightly creamy, right? But I can feel it kind of like change, like a chemical change or something, right?
Gets all milky. Hence, balm to milk. Balm to oil to milk. It kind of gets all lotiony, right?
Yeah. But you can feel it kind of go deep into the skin and cleanse. It feels smooth.
Oops.
All right.
You're seeing our movie magic.
That's good. That's good enough, right? Yeah, it feels smoother.
You like it?
And it feels really nice and hydrated. Kind of glowier, right? Like more even.
Yes, you glow.
You glow, I glow, she glows.
Whoa, squirt!
Okay.
Making a mess!
So first we use the cleanser, Good Face Stuff Silk Deep Hydro Cleanse, Balm to Milk Cleanser, which we just used. And now you can see my skin's like really smooth and silky and clean, and it feels really clean and fresh.
Let's make him even brighter and glowier with our Bright Ultra Hydration Resurfacing Mask. John really loves this, and so does everybody else, because it's our... Can you open it, big strong man?
Yes. Because it's what?
It's our bestseller.
Bestseller.
It smells good. Good face stuff.
Smells good.
That's the whole fun of this, is me putting schmutz on my brother's face. Schmutz! There we go. That's a good amount, I think. Smear it on, especially on the dark spots. Whoops. And you can get in the beard, all good in the beard to eliminate any clogged hair follicles. Great for men.
Or ingrown hairs, right?
Ingrown hairs, that's what I'm trying to say, yep. That's what I mean.
Feels nice and tingly.
It tingles.
Tingles.
Yeah, I think that's why this one's so popular. Is you can really feel it, and it works.
Weird.
Oops, weird now. Dang it! How does it feel?
Ooh, it's fairly tingly, and it's also feels like it's tightening a little bit.
Let me put some on my hands. The remainder.
Oh.
Yeah, put it on your hands. Also wear sunscreen on your hands. I do.
That's smart. Yeah,
That's
that
really
makes
smart.
sense.
Leave it on a few minutes, all the way up to an hour. If it tingles too much, though, I would take it off. Especially if you're just starting off and your skin isn't acclimated, you can leave it on less. Especially around here, where there's more pores, it can tingle a little bit more. So I kind of avoid right in the little nose crook. Did I avoid your nose crook?
It feels good, though. It doesn't feel too harsh.
Okay,
to me.
excellent.
Well,
I'm just
gonna get it in there.
Get it in
Get
there.
it in there.
Pretty, John.
Yeah, don't use that.
I'm definitely using that. So we're gonna leave it on for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. While we leave it on, let's hear about John. In our last video, I said that he's older than me. That's kind of a joke. And he's my younger brother. I'm 39, so you must be 37. No, you don't like that. Tell me about yourself.
No.
Okay.
No. No.
No? While we let it tingle, we'll just talk about John for a bit. He won't like it, but I'm going to do it anyways.
No. Wait. Just wait. Just fucking wait.
Okay, I think it's time. That's plenty of time. You really don't have to leave it on for too long to really get some benefits. In fact, I use it as a cleanser sometimes when I'm feeling kind of goopy or just like I need a little bit of brightening. Look at that. This is stuck on me. So let's wash it off, shall we?
All right.
Oh, he's going to leave to wash it. Bye. I wanted to talk a little bit about what he does, but he doesn't want to do it on this. Darn it. Danger. Come here. You guys like the setup? My brother set it up. It's kind of nicer than my kitchen, eh? My goodness, you look so brimming and bright.
Yay.
You really do. You can tell. Then, darlings, let us use our LUCID Essence Brightening Mist. It's got the sake. Here you
And what does it do?
This one has niacinamide, a lot of brightening ingredients. Niacinamide and acetylglucosamine, which makes the niacinamide work even better. Sake extract, yeast extract. It's got, show 'em it. It's got white licorice, all these brightening ingredients, as well as a little bit. Oh, it's in your eyelashes. I want to play with your eyelashes.
Does it moisturize?
It's hydrating. It's got some hydrating ingredients as well. It's moisturizing. It's not as moisturizing as the serum we're about to use as well. The Glow Serum works better if your skin is dewy and moist afterwards.
So this is the third step. This is the LUCID Essence Brightening Spray. And that's the third step, moisturizing and brightening, right?
Correct. You can also use this throughout the day, but you definitely want to use it to hydrate. Squirt a bit more on there, darling. Because then, if your skin's very moist before you apply the Glow Serum, it's better.
So this is Glow. This is the
Fourth step.
fourth step
That's right,
in
darling.
the skincare routine, right? That we've been doing for a while, and I really like it.
Correct. And this is an awesome peptide, 3 different stabilized vitamin C's, oil-soluble vitamin C. It's amazing. Tetradecyl ascorbate and sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which are both water-soluble. So there's 3 different stabilized vitamin C's. And we have, here, you want to squirt some on? We have adaptogenic herbs and mushrooms. Got shiitake and reishi. Then we
I got it
get
on my
to squirt.
hands. I got it on my
Here, I'm
hands.
going to do some cinnamon. Say, darlings. It's a light serum. A little heliocresum, which is great for like scarring. Heliocresum essential oils. It's got a really good ferment that gets activated with sunlight called thermos ferment.
It feels like it goes in really, really evenly, and it's not, you know, sometimes you put like serums on and it feels like heavy and weighted. It doesn't. It feels really light, and it feels like it goes into the skin quickly. And I feel like I can really feel the tingling of like the vitamin C and maybe the peptide. Is that what it is?
And it's got DMAE, which is very firming, as well as it's got pumpkin seed cake extract, both very firming. So that's partly what you're feeling, maybe.
Oh, so the firming is the pumpkin seed extract and the DMAE. Yeah, I feel
Superoxide dismutase. We also have that, which is a super antioxidant. So it's very protective from the elements and the like.
So this is which step?
It's number 4.
Step, right? It's the fourth.
But we have...
So the first step is the cleanser. The second step is the bright mask. The third step is the essence spray. The fourth step is the vitamin C serum. Glow. Okay, glow.
Glow, darlings. And surprise, we have a 5th step. Darlings, we have a cameo. Our 5th step, which isn't out yet, but we're going to use it because I really like having a little bit of oil over the glow to make it more hydrating. Darling.
Oh, so what is that?
This, put it in your hand. A few drops of this.
Oh.
This is going to be awesome. It's called Lux. Nourishing Beauty Oil, THD ascorbate, and alt retinol. What does that mean? So this has 21 different plant and flower oils, as well as tetradecyl ascorbate, the oil-soluble vitamin C in it, and bakuchiol, which is an phyto alternative to retinol. It's got rosehip, it's got pomegranate, it's got...
How many oils does it have in this?
21. It's got kiwi, all these fruits. It
smells
got
good.
Evening primrose oil. It's got so many, but this is like a little teaser, isn't it? Because it's not available yet. But look at it.
But you can like wear this to moisturize just whenever.
You could use
this
a little bit.
This is the last step. So like, look how glowy and dewy, and I feel like
you could put a little bit under your eyes.
You can
creasing. And it's got brightening.
You can wear it with makeup, right?
Yeah.
And you can wear it without makeup, because I'm not wearing makeup.
I would love to do your makeup.
That'll be a different show. That'll be a different episode.
Great. Well, I look forward to it. Don't you? Yeah, this has got so many different oils. It's got blueberry, it's got kiwi, it's got watermelon, it's got apple, it's got evening primrose oil, it's got rosehip seed oil, pomegranate.
Well, and it's going into my skin pretty deeply. Like, I don't feel like there's tons of residue. Like, I'm a little shiny, but I think that's probably from the essence spray. But I can feel the oil going deeper in, so like probably in like 10 minutes it'll absorb deeper.
You look so beautiful.
Well, thank you.
It does look like this spot is lighter too. And the LUCID comes without shimmer, but I just love the shimmer. The coolest thing about this is the THD ascorbate, in my opinion, because I'm in love with that ingredient, the oil-soluble vitamin C.
What does it do?
It's very brightening. There's a lot of scientific studies.
The science says.
Science. I love science. You like science? That it's very penetrating, and of course it's vitamin C, so it's got a lot of the collagen building and all those properties, but it's great for brightening, which is my thing.
What's in this silk?
Silk, you guys. I didn't go into that, did I? Silk has grapefruit seed oil, which is very cleansing. It's got rice bran oil, which is very brightening as well. It's used in a lot of like serums, stuff like that. That's great. And it's also got hydrolyzed collagen, vegetable sourced, oil soluble hydrolyzed collagen. It's got raw mango butter.
All types of good stuff.
It's got a lot of good stuff.
Super moisturizing.
All of the emulsifiers are EcoCert emulsifiers.
So this silk is also good for clearing like heavy makeup, right? Like drag makeup.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we got a video on
mascara makeup.
Drag makeup, which maybe we'll do sometime. That'd be awesome.
Maybe
I would love to do your makeup. Big drag Instagram makeup.
There's a cat over here.
Danger, look, see?
And then there's Dainty.
She's like annoyed. Look at her. She's like, can I get out of here? Sorry. Thank you. Everybody likes cats. Everybody likes cats. She's so snuggly. Okay, she's out. She's like, excuse me.
My skin feels great.
Your skin feels great to me too. It's dewy and amazing. It's And it looks
a little more taut.
taut, yes. Thanks, guys, for sharing. Hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed, click subscribe and the bell button to be notified when I put up videos on Thursdays and do the lives on Tuesdays. Yes.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much. My brother.
Yay.
Surprise, we have a fourth step. This is our
Fifth
next
step.
coming product.
Okay, we're done.
That's it, guys. Wait. Surprise,
How many
fifth
steps
step.
done? Hi, guys.
Yes. This has been a very requested video.
Wow. So first we use the cleanser. Silk Hydrating Mask. Deep.
I really like the glow. Because I really like. Come out with this yet? You can't see it.
Do it again.
Thermophilus 5. Number 5, 4. Magnesium ascorbyl phosphate and
Miss Corbel.
got sodium ascorbyl. No, it's got again. Cut to getting a towel. Hence Lux. What is it? Maybe Lux or Lux. What are we gonna?
Lux.
It's called Lux.
My skin feels great.